Welcome to the best remote work from home job just for you. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell because we have 5 to 7 job leads every single day here just for you. Hello and welcome to the best remote work from home job just for you. Today we have an opportunity from the company Belay Digital. They're looking for e-commerce specialists. It pays $15 to $25 an hour. It says we're looking for an e-commerce specialist who is an expert managing Shopify stores. Candidates should be familiar with all aspects of Shopify backend management, app integration, SEO, analytical tools. This candidate should be a collaborative team member with excellent organization and creative skills. Some of the job responsibilities will be responsible for daily store management, operation, and promotion of the company on Shopify platforms. Conduct competitive product survey and consumer analysis, improve the store page, product page, and activity page, increase the page attraction, and maintain a high conversion rate of the store's page. Strengthen brand marketing on social networks to maximize brand sales and influence. Develop strategic plans for market channels development. Manage inventory to ensure product inventory levels are maintained at acceptable levels. Develop and manage sponsored product advertising campaigns and promotions. Other duties as assigned by the supervisor. Some of the job requirements will be diploma and above. Relevant education in PR, communication, and marketing is a plus. Minimum of 1 year of e-commerce experience. Experience in managing social media accounts such as Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube. Interest in cryptocurrency market and cryptocurrency mining is a plus. Our ideal teammate has these qualities: good command of the English language and Mandarin language, strong interpersonal skills, EQ, cheerful personality, attention to detail, proactivity, keen sense of urgency, commitment and loyalty as a team player, independent problem-solving skills. Have these skills will double your chances: persuasive copywriting, Adobe Photoshop, Illustrator, or InDesign, basic video editing and animation. This is full-time and part-time, between $15 to $25 per hour. Some other benefits include health and dental insurance and paid time off, and it's a self-determined schedule, completely remote. If you feel like you're the perfect candidate for this position, I'll put the link right in the description below so you can apply right away. But if this is not for you, don't worry. We're going to have 5 to 7 job leads every single day on this channel. All you have to do to keep up is subscribe and hit the notification bell so you will be one of the first to get notified when we have a brand new remote work from home job just for you. Whether you're fed up with the office work lifestyle and you just want to work from home, or you're just looking for more freedom for you and your loved ones and family, work from home opportunities for you right here on this YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you get notified every single time we have a brand new work from home opportunity just for you.